Hello everyone, my name is T Schultz and welcome to my YouTube channel. And the last time I made a video I was talking about who is a scriptwriter. I talk about who's a scriptwriter and how you can make your videos. So today, the continuation of being a scriptwriter for beginners. So I'll be talking about skills you need to be a scriptwriter, knowledge in English language. You have to have the knowledge in English when writing, so you have to have the idea of being frequently fluent in English. So, and the second one is excellent writing communication skills. So it depends on your communication skills, how to make a communication with people, or just to know what is going on around you to be able to write a script writing, and the ability to use your initiation. So you have to use your initiation to write a script. And excellent verbal communication skills. Yeah, you have to have excellent verbal communication skills. So when writing a script. So that we'll be talking about let me talk about the biggest. I'll be talking about the biggest script writer in the world. There are two people which I love most, which are Christopher Marx and Stephanie Meek-Phelps. These are the people that works for, like, they write the Avengers movie, which is a blockbuster movie, which everybody loves, which was under Marvel. They like this Avengers, Infinity War, and Endgame. I hope you people watch the movie, how the movie was. Those two people write this movie, and it's a blockbuster all over the world, which people watch and people love about the movie. And I'm a fan of these two. Let me say I'm a fan of these two people because I watched a lot of their interviews when I googled them. So I was like, wow, these people are, and with what I googled on the internet, like they were the highest paid scriptwriter in the world, like the highest paid scriptwriter in the world. So the master and fundamental for storytelling, we study structure, read scripts, and analyze content. And all these are part of things that you need when being a scriptwriter. And to develop your story, generate a long line, write a treatment or outline. When generating a storyline develop your storyline, you need to generate a long line or write a treatment or outline. Writing a script, writing a fresh draft, show, don't tell, create related dialogue. Like all this will help you. Going through the internet, you have to check more about being a scriptwriter, and always use what is happening within your environment, or let me say using your initiative or your mind to write a script. So watch next on my next video. Thank you.